Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential accessories for your HP Officejet Pro 9015E printer, the Q-Image 962XL ink cartridges. If you're looking to keep your prints crisp, vibrant, and hassle-free, this might just be the best ink solution out there. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and why it's a standout choice. First off, let's talk about what you get with the Q-Image 962XL ink cartridges. This set comes in a convenient combo pack including black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges. Each cartridge is remanufactured to ensure compatibility and quality performance with HP Officejet Pro 9015E and similar models. Now, what makes these cartridges stand out? They boast a high yield up to 2,000 pages for the black cartridge and approximately 1,600 pages per color cartridge. This means fewer replacements and more printing without interruptions. The cartridges are equipped with upgraded smart chips, ensuring smooth communication with your printer for accurate ink level monitoring. Installation is a breeze. These cartridges are specifically designed to work seamlessly with HP Officejet Pro 9015E, 9018E, 9025E, and other models in the 9000 series. Simply pop them in, and you're ready to go. Plus, they're remanufactured, so you're also making an eco-friendly choice by opting for these cartridges. Now, let's talk performance. Whether you're printing documents for work or vibrant photos for your home, the Q-Image 962XL cartridges deliver exceptional quality. Text is sharp and clear, colors are vivid and true to life, making your prints pop off the page. Plus, they're designed to handle a variety of media types without compromising on quality. At around $59.99 for the combo pack, these cartridges offer excellent value for money. Considering the high page yield and reliable performance, it's a cost-effective choice compared to standard cartridges. To wrap it up, if you own an HP Officejet Pro 9015E and you're looking for reliable, high-quality ink cartridges, the Q-Image 962XL series is definitely worth considering. With its high page yield, smart chip technology, and vibrant print results, it's no surprise these are highly rated among users. So, if you're ready to elevate your printing experience, check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and product recommendations. And remember, links to purchase these cartridges and more details are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.